So he's gonna give us 65% of ARV.
I can run the numbers if you want me to for you.
That's fine. 438,750. That is the max loan amount. Okay. Now we're gonna do 90% of purchase price because that's all he's gonna give us. $369,900. Now we have 438,750 minus 369,900. That is what we have left over for rehab, which means that we now need to find the difference of what we need to come up with because our rehab is so high and he's only gonna give us this amount, okay? So for now, our max loan amount is gonna be our desired loan amount because when you add the 90% of purchase, 369,900, plus your rehab, 115, that number is 484,900, which is way higher than what he would ever lend us. So that is our desired loan amount. The lower number is always the desired loan amount, okay? So now all of our numbers are gonna be based on this number. Now, where you need for out-of-pocket cost, we need 10% of purchase, we need the 2 points, and then we need 2% for closing. Okay, these two are based on the loan amount that he's gonna give you, which is gonna be this. Both of these are gonna be based on this. So 10% of purchase, this is purchase, 411 times 0.1 is $41,100. 2% for the points that he's gonna charge you is gonna be based on this. 438,750 times 0.02 is 87.75, and it's the same down here. This is approximately what you need to come to closing. 58,550 at closing. Now, what you need in the bank afterwards is gonna be the rehab remainder that he didn't lend. So rehab remainder plus interest payments for the amount of hold time. Your rehab remainder is your rehab originally minus what he's going to give you. 115 minus 68,850. You need to have an additional $46,150 in the bank because once you hit this number, you're gonna need this to be able to hit your rehab, okay? On top of that, you need to know how much interest payment you're gonna pay for the 5 months that you're gonna hold the property. That's gonna be based on the loan amount, okay? 438,750 times 13%, which is the annual interest rate, and you get a yearly payment of $57,037.50 per year, right? We need it per month, so we divide that by 12 months. We get a monthly payment of $4,753.13, and we times that by 5 months. This is per month. And now your interest payments are gonna be $23,765.63 for the 5 months. So that's gonna go here. When you add that up, you're gonna need in your bank $69,915.63. And now total you need to add this number plus this number, because that's what you're gonna need fully to be able to fund this deal, plus 58,550, which is a total of 128,465, which is more than you have. So this deal would not be for you.